How to fix Windows Update stuck. Sometimes updates hang but finish after 10 to 20 minutes, so make sure that you wait a bit. A fresh boot often clears temporary glitches, so make sure to restart your device. If you have connected any kind of printers and drivers on the laptop, then disconnect those USB devices. Now go to your settings and click on the option System. Inside Systems, on the right section, you should see an option called Troubleshoot at the bottom. Click on Troubleshoot and select the option Other Troubleshooters. Here you should see the option Windows Update. Simply click on the Run option next to that. Also run the section called Network and Internet. You can also restart Windows Update services. On your laptop or PC, press on the Window key plus R key to start a run dialog. In the dialog box, type in services.msc. When you do that, then simply press on enter. Now this kind of menu will open. I'm just gonna open it on full screen. Everything is sorted out in alphabetical order. You will need to search for Windows Update, so scroll down to the very bottom. Once you see Windows Update, right click on it and select refresh. That's all for today. Thank you.